Hello, good morning, good afternoon, whatever is your own time. Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, mgbede ọma, whichever is your own time. Accept your own greetings. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. So wherever you are, it is time for us to meet. So you are welcome to live class today. Wherever you are, it's time to come on board and let's have our live class. The Igbo Tutor is live now. So I was saying ụtụtụ ọma if this is your morning, ehihie ọma if this is your afternoon, or mgbede ọma if this is your evening, or abalị ọma if this is your night. Wherever you are, it's time to come together and let's have our class. This is meant for members of the channel anyway. So if you are, per chance seeing me now or watching this live class, maybe a replay, you need to know that for you to be part of the live class, when it is actually happening, you need to be a member of the channel. So you do well to hit the join button beside my channel name or right under this video. You'll see the round button, black button with the join inscription written inside it. So you follow the procedure and then join the membership. Choose the class you want to start from, the Igbo family or senior family member. Make the payment and become a member of the channel. That's the only thing that will qualify you to participate in our live classes. So do that now and get ready to be with us next Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. And for members of the channel already, you are welcome to class. Do well to join now so we can begin and cover as much as we can within the period we have. We want to maintain the time as much as possible. So you do well to join on time so we can do what we need to do and face other things for the day. So you are welcome to class. Wherever you are, member of the channel, begin to join now. I'm already live, and let's begin this class in earnest. You're welcome. This is the Igbo Tutor, Mazio Kaf. What do we do in a live class? In the live class, what we do is to practice what we'll be learning and measure our level of progress. Is actually a practical listening and comprehension class where we listen to Igbo words, Igbo sentences, spoken to us, and we hear it just as anybody will say it on the street. So we can see how much we can comprehend what is said and then possibly give meaning to it and respond to it appropriately. So the live class is actually for practical session. It's not for watching videos and taking notes and all that. Of course, you can still do that if you wish, but it's actually a practical session where we try to speak Igbo language and see how much you can comprehend that and put that to use. So if you have been watching videos of Igbo lessons on YouTube, that's fine. But coming to live class here gives you the opportunity to measure your level of progress and see whether there are special areas where you need to pay more attention. So that is what we do in this live class. So join us as we do it every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. You are welcome as you join our membership. This membership package also comes with a free ebook every month for members of the channel. So apart from participating in a free class every Saturday, you also have access to one free ebook every month as you join our membership. So do well to join. The value of the book is, well, almost the same as it, or even more for those who are in Nigeria. It's higher than the value of the subscription on its own. So you can see you are going to have double advantage by being a member of this, channel. Aside that, you can also have access to me for direct interaction, direct assistance, as the case may be. So why not join the class today? A membership rather. What are you waiting for? Join our channel membership today, and you'll be glad you did. Abụ m Maazị Okafor, onye nkuzi Igbo. So where are you? Let's do this together. If you are watching a replay, you need to be a little bit patient because we need to ensure that members of the channel are here in class before we start. They are the ones that paid for this live class, and the honor needs to be given to whom it is due. So we wait for them to join the class before we begin. So let's be a little bit patient. If you are watching a replay, wait a little more so that we can welcome those who owns this class. Yes, members of the channel, wherever you are, this is the agreed time. You will do well to join this class now. Let's not waste time because time waits for no man. So let's do well. We have our time already scheduled. We should know the time before now. So we should plan our activities around the time and know when exactly the class is to begin. So we can join immediately the class starts. We don't need to waste 10 minutes waiting for somebody before the class will start. That leaves us with lesser time for teaching. So please endeavor to get ready beforehand and join the class as early as possible. Yes, I'm waiting. Who comes to class first today? Who is coming here first? Where are you? Nake, Emehe, and the rest of them waiting for you. Please do well to join now. A minute. Right, I'm back. I'm back. Yes, still waiting for you to come on board so we can start the class. So where are you? Members of this channel, where are you? We're waiting for you. Join the class. Let's begin. Who comes to class first today? Where are you? Come on board. If you happen to be seeing me now and you are not yet a member of the channel and you wish to participate in this class, the first thing you do is to hit the join button, either below this video or beside my channel name. You will see a button for join. Just hit the button and you'll be directed to the action page where you will carry out the things you need to do to become a member of the channel and gain access to our live classes. Do that now and let's become members of the Igbo family. That is the name of our channel membership, the Igbo family, where we speak Igbo, learn Igbo, teach ourselves, associate with ourselves, know ourselves better, and help ourselves. Yes. Where are you? Waiting for you. I am waiting for you to come on board. Yes. Clement, Nake, Princess Ezenwa, Shoibi, Dr. Blahi. Where are you guys? Still waiting for you. Mr. Emehe, where are you? Time is ticking away. Yes, if you are watching a replay from our homepage, please be a little bit patient with us. Hold on a while. Let's have the members of the channel join us. This is a live class, so we have to talk to each other and teach each other, and communicate and then interact. Before now, we have been going on with a series which is covering simple sentences with short phrases that makes different meanings. One word used in different ways that gives it different meanings. Okay. We've done so many of them today. We are doing the last one in this series before we do something else. Yes, where are you? Where are you? Waiting for you to come on board. Waiting for you to come on board. Hope someone will join this class in the next 10 minutes. If by 20 minutes wait and no one is here, I will assume that no one wants to come to class today. So we do well to join now so we can begin. If you don't come to class and I am here waiting for you, it means you are not ready to take full advantage of your payment. You won't blame me for that. You will know I've done my own part, but you fail to do yours. Mine is to be here at the agreed time, welcome you in to come learn. But if you are not here, what will I do? And if there are suggestions you have on how we can improve or things you want us to talk about, you can bring that in so we can incorporate it into the teaching. Yes, 7 more minutes to wait for the students to join the class. Okay, Nake is here. There, woman is in Nake. I wanted to leave the class in the next 7 minutes if I see no one, but good you are here. All right. There, now you're here. Please, let's try to come to class on time because it is not interesting to wait for a long time for someone to come to class when we already know the time we schedule for the class. So, as much as possible, let's set time aside and get ready for this class so we can start. Even if it is one person that is here at the appropriate time, we start. Whoever joins after will not blame us, and the person can watch a replay if he wants so that we don't waste each other's time. All right, Dewo Mazin Nake, we just have 45 minutes to spend here. Haven't spent 15 minutes waiting for you guys. All right, we continue. We are rounding up our series today on these short phrases or short sentences using similar word that comes in different ways. Today we are looking at the word uzo. That's what we're going to use to make sentences in different ways today. Please confirm you are hearing me very well. Nake, confirm you are hearing me. Okay. Confirm you are hearing me. Sherry Mango, you're welcome to class. You guys are late comers. It's not fair. Confirm that I'm audible enough. Please confirm you can hear me loud and clear before I continue. Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. All right, Sherry Mango say, or the Mandewo. So today we are using the word uzo to make sentences in different ways. Uzo means way, okay? Way, uzo, okay? So we are going to use it in different ways to make sentences that makes different meanings, okay? And we are rounding off this series on these short sentences today. Let's begin. Ka bido. Bido. Hmm? Okay. Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. What does that mean? Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. Yes, can someone help us? Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. Yes, try what I've said now. If you understand it, write what I've said in English as usual. Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. Make an effort, make attempt. Yes. Make efforts. Remember, it's a listening and comprehension skill that we are practicing. Yes, make efforts, make attempt on that. Okay, Sherry Mango is in. Okay, Sherry Mango has dropped her own response. Okay. Yes, what is Nake saying? What is Nake saying about this? Yes. What does Nake say? Waiting for you, Nake. Sherry Mango has done her own. I want to head where to go. Okay, that's good effort. Let me write what I've said in Igbo. I think that will also help us a little bit. Okay. That will also help us to evaluate what we have written and see whether it meets the standard or not. Look at what I've said. Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. Do you think you want to make correction? That's good effort anyway. But do you think you want to amend your sentence? Is anybody trying to amend his own sentence or her sentence based on what I've written? Do you still think what you wrote is correct, or you want to amend it a little bit? Yes. Sorry, I made a mistake. I want to write Uzoa, not Uzoa. Sorry, it's Uzoa. I wrote UZU, not UZO. That is what I mean. Actually, me see Uzoa, because I told you that we're dealing with Uzo. UZO dot under them. It is way. So, do you think you want to amend what you wrote? If there's no amendment, let me write what it is. You began well by saying, I want to go, ga. I want to go through this way or by this way. Okay? I want to go through this way or I want to go by this way. Okay? You are going to somewhere. There are options of road which you want to follow or go through. And you say, Achọrọ m isi ụzọ a gaa. I want to go through this road. I want to go through this path. Okay? Is that clear? Do you understand? If you understand what I said and what I wrote, if you get me, all right, good. Cherry Mango has responded, fine. Let's go on. The next sentence is coming in form of a question. O nwere ụzọ ọzọ esi aga ebe ahụ? O nwere ụzọ ọzọ esi aga ebe ahụ? This is a question. O nwere ụzọ ọzọ esi aga ebe ahụ? This is a question. Let's try it. O nwere ụzọ ọzọ esi aga ebe ahụ? Let's go. It's a question for your information. Ngwa, let's go. Try it. Cherry Mango is on fire. He's on fire. Oh. Cherry mango is on fire. Okay. Nake, what do you say? Cherry mango is in already. Cherry mango is in already. Yes. Waiting for Nake to respond before we mark our script. Let's go. For you to join this live class, you must be a member of our channel. So first, join our channel membership to gain access to this live class. Very important. Yes, Nake, what do you say? What do you say? Mm-hmm. Amaim. Okay. That's a confession. Let me first write the Igbo version so that we can. Cherimango made a very good effort. Right. Look at the question. Do you have Nake? Can you attempt it now? Cherimango, can you review your own answer? Do you still stand on what you wrote before? You have a new idea from the written sentence? Nake, can you attempt it now? Can you attempt it now? Now that I've written it out. Ngwa, nwa okogi. Gbaa mbọ dee ya Nnake. Do you have another way to go through that place? Mhm. That is a revised version for Sherry Mango. Nnake, is there another way to go there? Correct. That is the actual answer. Nnake has gotten it perfectly well. Sherry Mango, you really tried. If you say, do you have another way to go through that place or to go to that place? Okay, to go there, to go there. Okay, if that is what, if Sherry Mango, if that sentence you wrote is inwere, inwere, do you have? Okay, inwere ụzọ ọzọ, do you have another way? So if this is what I wrote, if this is what I wrote, then your answer would have been very perfect. I'm talking to Sherry Mango now. Your answer would have been very perfect if this is what I wrote. Inwere ụzọ ọzọ, do you have another way? But if I say onwere ụzọ ọzọ, I'm not talking to somebody whether he has another way. I'm saying is there another way? Onwere ụzọ ọzọ. I'm not talking to one person. I'm not talking to anybody. I'm only asking a general question. Onwere ụzọ ọzọ. Is there any other way? Okay, so that's why Nnake's answer is the perfect answer there. Is there another way to go there? Onwere ụzọ ọzọ esi aga ebe ahụ. Sherry Mango, do you get my explanation? Do you get my explanation? Please confirm. Confirm that you got what I explained. Yeah, excellent. Excellent. Ademma. Then if you want to reply me, assuming I was the one who asked that question, and your response was, no, there is no other way. How will you write it? No, there is no other way. Now try writing that. Try writing what I've said in Igbo language. No, there is no other way. Write that in Igbo language. No, there is no other way. Cherry Mango, you're on fire today. Really, really, really. You no agree at all. Ikwechi ekwechi. Cherry Mango has responded, though. What is Nnake waiting for? This girl is trying to push you behind. She's on fire today. No, there is no other way. Nnake, you have not responded, though. Is it network that is delaying you or something else? Is it network or something else? Okay, mba, onweghị ụzọ ọzọ. Mba, onweghị ụzọ ọzọ. Both of you are correct. But you are nweghị should have dot under the I at nweghị, onweghị ụzọ ọzọ. So remember to put dot under your I in nweghị, but your sentences were top notch. Cheers, guys. You're on fire. I like that. Okay, let's go on. Next statement. Amaghị m ụzọ ahụ nke ọma. Amaghị m ụzọ ahụ nke ọma. For the last time. Amaghị m ụzọ ahụ nke ọma. Let's go. What did I say? What did I say? Shoot now. Sherry Bango, I know you will write first. Do that. Okay. Sherry said, I don't know another way to go through. Nake Road, I don't know another good road. Both of you did not get it. Let me write the Igbo version. Maybe that will guide you better. My I here in Amai should have dot under it. My system is not picking that up when I'm on live. I don't know why. This is what I said. So review your response now using what I've written. Review your response using my written sentence. Okay, Nake. Okay, Nake is in. Sherry Mango, what do you say? Yes. Sherry Mango, what do you say to that? Wow, both of you are you are following each other today. I don't know who is going to win this battle. Both of you are almost on the same page, and you are correct. I don't know that way well. That's very perfect. Amaya Moza Nkoma. Excellent. Sherry Mango. Cheers. Nake, well done. Let's go on. Next sentence. Ụzọ ha niile adịghị mma. Ụzọ ha niile adịghị mma. For the last time. Ụzọ ha niile adịghị mma. Let's go. What did I say? Let's do that now. Go ahead and write. Yes, who is doing that first? Who is shooting first? If you want to participate in this live class, do the needful, join the membership first so that you can be given access to the class. All right, let's go. Who is shooting first? Yes. It's It appears we're having network downtime. Cherry Mango is in. Cherry Mango is in. But it appears network is bringing us down now. Network is trying to challenge us. Nake, are you there? Send in your answer. Send in your answer. Nake, we got that of Cherry Mango already. Yes. Yes, Nake, are you there? Nake is in. Nake seems to be the one that is getting it right now. Okay, let me write what I've written in Igbo. My ade, the eyes, have dot under them. What's going on here? Okay, my ade, the two eyes has dot under them. But I can't do it here. I don't know why. So this is the actual sentence I made. And let's see who got it right. It was Nnake that got it right. All their road is not good. Ụzọ ha niile adịghị mma. Cherry Mango, can you see that? So Ibi, can you see that? Can you see what Nnake wrote? At Big Nnake, do you see what he wrote? Good. That is the actual thing I said. Ụzọ ha niile adịghị mma. He got it right. All their road is not good. Excellent. All right. Now you ask me a question. What happened to all their roads? What happens to all their roads? Ask me that question in Igbo. What happens to all their roads? What happens to all their roads? Ask me this question in Igbo language. Go ahead and type the question. Mhm. Gwagaa n'ihu dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Dee ajụjụ ahụ n'asụsụ Igbo. Mee ya ọsịsọ. Okay. Cherry Mango is in. Waiting for Nake. I'm waiting for Nake to come in. Okay, Nake is in. And his answer is very perfect. So Cherry Mango wrote, Kedu eme uzo ha niile. If you want to use Kedu for this question, is also correct, but you have to write it this way. Kedu ihe mere. That is what Sherry Mango missed out. Kedu ihe mere ụzọ ha niile? Other parts were all correct. But this is how to write it. Sherry Mango. This is how to write it. Kedu ihe mere ụzọ ha niile? You wrote kedu eme ụzọ ha niile. It should be kedu ihe mere. Okay? So if you use kedu, is also correct. The way I wrote it. The way Nake wrote it too is correct. Gịnị mere ụzọ ha niile? That is also correct. Gịnị mere ụzọ ha niile? Or kedu ihe mere ụzọ ha niile? Both are correct. Both are perfect. Okay? Sherry Mango, do you get me? Do you get my correction? Ị nwetara ya? Ị ghọtara ihe m kwuru? Ee, ọ dị mma, mere nke ọma. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Okay. Okay, next question. Achọghị m isi ụzọ ọbụla. Achọghị m isi ụzọ ọbụla. Mee ya. Achọghị m isi ụzọ ọbụla mee ya. Again, achọghị m isi ụzọ ọbụla mee ya. What did I say? Ana m eche unu. Wadee ya. Sherry Mango is in. Sherry Mango is in. And that was a very good effort from Sherry Mango. Good effort from Sherry Mango. Waiting for Nake. If you are in the class and you've not greeted us, you are not contributing, that's not fair. At least you tell us Ndewo. No. Let's know you are here. Don't be a silent student or a secret student. So we can bring you our family greetings. Yes, Nake. Nake, what do you say? Yes, Nake, what do you say? Waiting for your response. Where are you? Princess Ezenwa. Bill, say you just wake up from sleep, I guess. Or what happened? You forgot our class time? What is the matter? Princess, are you waking up from sleep or your alarm did not ring? Or what happened? Let me know why you are joining class when we are closing class. Okay, Nake, your answer is in. I don't want to do it in any way. Wow. You are showing that you're a senior student. Okay, let me write the Igbo version first before we know. We'll mark it finally. Princess, answer my question. No. This is my the statement. Achọghị isi ụzọ ọbụla mee ya. So who got it right? Princess Ruth. I don't want any kind of way to do it. Good effort. But Nake got it perfectly well. I don't want to do it in any way. Achọghị isi ụzọ ọbụla any way. Achọghị isi ụzọ ọbụla mee ya. I don't want to do that. Meya is at the back, but in Igbo version is at the back, but the English is at the middle. I don't want to do it. That is the meya at the back for Igbo version. Achọghị m isi ụzọ ọbụla. I don't want to follow any way to do it. Meya. Okay. So Nake is very correct. I don't want to do it in any way. Achọghị m isi ụzọ ọbụla meya. Thumbs up, Nake. Good effort. Princess, you have not answered my question. Are you waking up from sleep? You slept? You forgot the time, or what happened? Tell me what happened. Oh. Why you are joining class at the tail end? If not for some of these guys, there would have been no class today. You know, so we should try to maintain our class, the timing as much as possible, so that we can do what we will need to do at the right time. Some people may also watch the replay in future. And then if we have to wait for 10, 15 minutes without anybody coming around, that is not fair enough. So, Princess, what happened? Let me know what happened. Okay, we're moving on. Ụzọ ole ka mma isi mee ya? Ụzọ ole ka mma isi mee ya? This is a question. And what does it mean in English? Ụzọ ole ka mma isi mee ya? Yes, let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Is a question. Yes. Let's see who will give it a breakdown. Okay. Right. Cherry Mango is in. Good effort. Good effort. What is Princess saying? Okay, Princess is in. Nake, what do you say? I like the variations. Which way? Which road? Hmm. Hmm. Remember, I said, Ụzọ ole ka mma isi mee ya? Don't forget that. It appears you are not including that in your response. Nake, you are really a senior student. You are a senior student. Your answer is more appropriate. But let me write the Igbo version first before we mark. This is a question. Ụzọ ole ka mma isi mee ya? Let's look at the answer. Sherry Mango, which way is good? When you hear kamma, I was emphasizing that, talking about better. The ma is good, but kamma is, I think I mentioned that in our last class, last week. I explained this last class, last Saturday. Am I right? Did I explain the ma, kamma, kachasimma? Did I explain it last Saturday? Can someone confirm that? If I explain these degrees of being good, did I explain that last Saturday? Confirm that. If not, I want to do it again. Can anybody confirm if I did that last Saturday? Good, better, best. Did I explain that last Saturday? I need a response to that. Did I? Okay, izuka abụọ gara aga, not abụọ izuka gara aga. It's izuka abụọ gara aga. Nake. Correct your sentence. It's, you are interpreting it directly from English 2 weeks ago. In Igbo, it doesn't flow that way. The week comes first before the number. So in Igbo, it's izuka abụọ gara aga, 2 weeks ago, not abụọ izuka. I hope everybody is listening to me. It's not abụọ izuka. It's izuka abụọ gara aga, 2 weeks ago. That's fine. That's fine. You remember. Okay. So I was saying that because I was explaining to Sherry Mango that when we say kamma, we're talking about better. Why kasimma, kachasimma, or karisia, kachasimma is the best. Dimma, good. Kamma, better. Kachasimma, best. Is that okay? Sherry Mango, do you understand that? Sherry Mango, do you get that? Of course, Princess 2 had that problem. She wrote, which road is good? Okay? And that takes me to another thing I want to explain. Uzole kamma. Okay, which road is good, is better? But when I said isimeya, to do it, which you know that we're not talking about road again, because uzo can be used for both road and way. When I say way, I mean options of doing something. So we use uzo for that, the same way we use it for road. So when I say uzo le kamma isimeya, it's no more road, it is way, option. Which way, which option is best to do it? That's what I'm talking to Princess now. So it's no more road. The same thing. Okay, Sherry Mango got it. Which way? So it's not which road, it's which way is best to do it. Uzo lekama isime. So the big nake got the answer correctly. Which way is better to do it? That is the excellent answer. Well done, thumbs up to Nake. Right. So we are going gradually. Now let's try to answer that question. And then I will say, ọ bụ ụzọ nke Chineke ka mma. Ọ bụ ụzọ nke Chineke ka mma. What did I say? Yes. What did I say? Ọ bụ ụzọ nke Chineke ka mma. Right, what I've just said now. Waiting for you. Princess, did you understand what I explained? You get it? Okay. Princess, waiting for your answer. Sherry Mango is in with the response. Right. What are the rest saying about that? The last sentence I made. Begin nake. Yes, yes, yes. Good response. Princess, what do you say to this? Princess, what is your response? What is your response? Princess, are you still there? Our network has taken you away from us. Waiting for Princess. Princess, are you still there? Okay, let me be writing the Igbo version, hoping that Princess' answer will come in, if she's still there. This is what I said. Ọ bụ ụzọ nke Chineke ka mma. Yes. Cherry Mango wrote, there is a way that is better. I mentioned Chineke precisely. Ụzọ nke Chineke. So Nnake wrote, God is the better way. No, I didn't say Chineke bụ ụzọ ka mma. That is what Nnake wrote. Chineke bụ ụzọ ka mma. But I said, ọ bụ ụzọ nke Chineke ka mma. So this is God's way. It's God's way that is better. That is the interpretation. It is God's way that is better. Ọ bụ ụzọ nke Chineke ka mma. It is God's way that is better. If I say God is the better way, that means Chineke bụ ụzọ ka mma. And that is not what I said. Okay, I believe Nnake understands my explanation. Princess, are you there? Cherry Mango, do you get what I am explaining? Nnake, confirm that you got what I explained. Please confirm that you got my explanation. As we move to the last sentence for today, are you there? Did you get what I explained? Yes, waiting for your response. Did you get that? I'm waiting for your response. I think network is delaying us a bit. Are you okay with it? Is it clear enough? No response. I need to be sure you are there. I say, if you are clear with my explanations, can you say A, sim A, so that we can go to the last sentence? Yeah, waiting for your response. Did you get all I explained? Ị nwetara ihe m kọwara? Ị nwetara ihe m kọwara gị? Or ihe m kọwara unu? Did you get what I explained to you people? I doubt if Princess is still here. Okay, that's fine. Princess, I'm not getting your feedback. Let's go to the last one. O nweghị ụzọ a ga-esi mee ya. O nweghị ụzọ a ga-esi mee ya. For the last time, o nweghị ụzọ a ga-esi mee ya. What did I say? That is the last sentence for today, for this class. Sherry Mango, you did sharp. Any other person responding to this? Any other response? Drop your response now. Princess Ezenwa, I'm not sure you are seeing the class. We're not getting your feedback. If you are still there, respond. Oh, you are still here? Okay, I should repeat the sentence. The sentence is, onweghị ụzọ a ga-esi mee ya. Onweghị ụzọ a ga-esi mee ya. Did you get that now? You get that? You get that? Let me get your response. Nake, where are you? Give your response. Mm-hmm. Waiting. I got only one response from Cherry Mango. Mm-hmm. Nake is in. Remaining princess. Princess, let's hear from you. Let's hear from you. Appears network is not favorable to you today, princess. We are not getting your feedback. We are not getting your response. Yes, princess. We are waiting for you. Okay, let me go ahead and write the Igbo version. My way has dot under the I. Don't forget. So I don't know whether princess is still there or not. It's like she's having challenge with network. So let me use the two responses to mark. First is Sherry Mango. There is no way to do it. That is the correct answer. Sherry is the winner for the final sentence and the final expression today. Like I said, there is no way that we do it. No, that is not it. It is there is no way to do it. Onweghị ụzọ ọzọ a ga-esi mee ya. There is no way to do it. So, Sherry Mango, you are the winner. And that is bringing us to the last sentence for today. I want to thank Sherry Mango, especially, and Nnake for coming around today to save the situation, to let us have this class before Princess joined. My only appeal, okay, Nnake came in first before Sherry Mango followed. I appreciate that. But I do appeal that we try as much as we can to keep to our time so that we will not really, discourage somebody. I almost left the class after waiting for about almost 15 minutes without seeing anybody. So it's not the best. So let's try to keep to time so that we can do what we need to do when we need to do it and face other activities of the day. Time is precious, time is money. All the same, I appreciate you for coming, for keeping to our schedule, for learning. If you think you've learned something today, in today's class, can you drop your emoji, appreciation, thumbs up, flowers, whatever? Give us your emoji in this chat so we know you really learned something from today's class. Yes, if you know you learned something from today's class, can you drop your emoji here in our chat here so we can know that you enjoyed today's class? It's time to go back to face all we have done, practice them all over again, listen to them again, watch a replay of those videos, rewatch them again. They are all in the homepage. Go listen to them again because we are ending this series today. So ensure you understand them properly and use them accordingly. It's nice being with you today. Thank you for being around and for supporting as always. Kemesia. See you next Saturday. Chukwu gozie gị.